Don't second guess me, live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time.
Hi my favorite people, how you guys doing? Hoping you're doing amazing, hoping you're doing fantastic. Welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Skin is skinning, skin is glowing, thanks to the Son of God. Thanks to the sun, I'm sun-kissed. Anyway, welcome to this week's vlog. This is a new vlog. I hope you have watched my previous vlog. If you've not, before you watch this, go watch the other one. I'ma watch this, then watch the other one. Anyway, welcome to this week's vlog. Today, me and my dad, we are going tunaenda shamba. I trust my dad to carry me whenever he's going to farm thingies. Trust him to carry me. So we are going that. Tunaenda farming. Technically mimi staff farm. Hey baby girl ataka tu kwa gari, but anyway. Sasa tumesimama somewhere. He's taking mahindi. Hizo mahindi za kupanda. There's one anaenda kupanda, I think. Yeah, but welcome to this week's vlog. Oh my god, by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. We are still growing. We are on the road to, can I say 2k subscribers? Ama niende pole pole niseme 1500 subscribers. Aim higher. 2000 subscribers. Yeah, we are on the road to 2000 subscribers. And also follow my Instagram and follow my TikTok for more short form content. Plus I update my Instagram, guys, so much than I do on my, like, before I post a vlog. So follow my Instagram, G_Soni, on Instagram, G_Soni, on TikTok. Yeah, zitakuwa hapa na pia zitakuwa kwa description box. Please follow my Insta. Yeah, so welcome to this week's vlog. I'm so excited. Let's see what this vlog will entail. Hi guys. So we've arrived to our destination. Okay, I love this place. It's so green and the air is clean, fresh. Wow, it's amazing. Nimeonyesha view, hebu nionyesha vile kuna katu green everywhere. Take a look. Miti, and then mashamba, nyasi, mbuzi mingi, shamba, green everywhere. Can you guys believe this is a fruit? Inaitango manyetera. I don't know in English what it's called, but it's so sweet. Na hata hakuna yenye imeiva already, ningewaonyesha. Namwambia niko na inappropriate shoes za kukuja shamba. Hebu ona vile nakaa. But tunavuna carrots.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around.
On my previous video I showed you the oranges. We ate them the same day, but now kuka cabbage nimeona kuna ingine, so but they are so small. This is how they look like. They are so small, but we are getting there. Yeah, so the cabbage looks so nice. Wow, they look so nice. Another day to eat these fruits. Ndo ile.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that...
Hi guys, nimeka chap na nyinyi leo. Oh yeah, I began this vlog today anyway. Let me update you on what happened. So I'm in the car waiting for my dad. He just went on a meeting. Yeah, so I finally got a physical book. I can be able to tick like my bucket list. Okay, my vision board. Last year's vision board, I wanted to get a book. I wanted to get a book. I wanted to start reading. So I saw like I'm taking quite long getting a book. Aki kuna mtu ananiangalia na na feel weird. Anyway, I was taking long getting a book, so I started reading online. But online, online I was getting kind of distracted because nikiboka tu kidogo hivi ninaacha and then sisomi like kila siku. Now I wanted a book, naweza enda somewhere, sit down, take my book, start reading. I'm so excited. I'm so gift ideas. If you want to gift me, just buy me a book. Buy me a book. Get me a book. Oh my god. Anyway, so I picked this, The Magic of Thinking Big. Nitawapea review once nimesoma. Yeah, nitawambia ikoaje. Anyway, I like, okay, the heavy contenders were it begins with us and the 5 a.m. club. So I wanted the 5 a.m. club, but sasa huyo mtu ameniambia nianze na hii and then I can go back and get the 5 a.m. plus I was like, it begins with us, I can always get it online, so there's no need. Yeah, so I picked this, so I'm going to give you guys a review, but it's like I'm super excited, like I'm so happy. I finally get to read a physical book. Nitawapea review. Yeah, so leo nimeonyesha, leo tumespend the day with you. Hizo ndizo vitu nimefanya leo. Nimelima, tume nini? Tumelima. Tulikuwa tunalima na my dad, like my uncle, the brother to my father is my dad also, sindio? Yeah, so yeah, we were like doing that with him. Anyway, yeah, waiting for my dad so that we can go back home sasa. So I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow once I begin to read this book. See you tomorrow. Unacheka. Introduce.
Hi guys. So mimi naitwa Njeri na Soni, huyu ni Soni mzee yangu.
Mimi ni auntie yake. Naacha joke. I'm the aunt. Anyway, umemeet. Amekuwa kwa hii vlog tena. So, chanikae chini I update you guys because chaniweke hapa si mnaniona. So, niko kwa kazini yangu workplace yake. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is on Tuesday. Nah, the last time you guys saw me was on Friday. So I've not vlogged I did not vlog on Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday. That was yesterday. Reason being, copyright. Reason being, so yesterday I had a dentist appointment where mimi mkiniona na vitu tamu mkiniona na vitu tamu mkuje tu mnipige kofi because what was that? Nawaambia okay. I got some root canal. That's the most painful thing ever. Na unajua okay, some other doctors wanakwanga like oh tulia nini na wanaku encourage, but sasa huyu he was not giving a fuck. You didn't take care of your teeth, you did not take care of your teeth, so these are the consequences. So alikuwa na mwambia ni uchungu like, na saizo alikuwa amenidunga inaitwa je hiyo dawa ya kufanya mtu asisikie uchungu, but anyway nilimsumbua so I was supposed to go back to school maybe the end of this week, but turns out I will not do that because on Monday I still have to come back so that he can finish because he did not finish. So me with the sweet things. Anyway, that's the update. I did not vlog yesterday because the pain was so much. But yeah, welcome back to this week's vlog. Tomorrow you might get this vlog or you might not get the vlog. We shall see. We shall see what Niki-edit nione the vlog is worth, I'll post for you, but if it's not worth posting, I'll post in the middle of this week. Yeah, so that's all.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
We've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking. I will definitely see you on my next video. Yeah, so bye. Thank you for watching.